Hello everyone, welcome to the Mayur Mugre channel. In this video, we are going to see the salient features of the world's tallest statue, that is the Statue of Unity. When India got independence, it was divided into several provinces. But Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he united all the provinces and made India. So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel played a very important role in uniting India. So his statue has been named as Statue of Unity. So it is the pride moment for all the Indians that this Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the entire world. So in this video, we are going to discuss the salient feature of the statue. This video will be presented to you by me, Mayur Mugre. You can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on Instagram. If you have any queries, you can message me. And if you want the PDF of this lecture, you can follow me on Telegram. The link is in the description. So let's start. So here are some salient features of this tallest statue. First, we'll see the height. The height of this statue is 182 meters. This statue is almost twice the height of iconic Statue of Liberty in the New York. You must have heard about the Statue of Liberty in New York. And if we see the height of Statue of Liberty, it's almost 93 meters. And here the height of Statue of Unity is 182 meters. So if we compare the Statue of Unity with Statue of Liberty, the height of Statue of Unity is almost twice the height of Statue of Liberty in USA. And hence the Statue of Unity is the tallest statue in the world. Next is Spring Temple Buddha in China. Its height is approximately 153 meters. So these statues are also very important for your exam. Next here we will see the location of this statue. Location you can see in this map. The location of this statue is here. It's on the bed of river Narmada, around 3.5 kilometers downstream from the Sardar Sarovar Dam. So here you can see the Gulf of Khambat. You should know the location of the Statue of Unity. Next, the cost. So it took almost 2,989 crores approximately to build this statue. So it's a huge amount. Next here we will see the sculptor. So the name of the sculptor is Ram V. Suthar. He is Padma Bhushan, a 93-year-old acclaimed sculptor. He has graduated from prestigious JJ School of Arts in Bombay. And this is not his first piece of art, but he has sculpted masterpieces which includes Mother Chambal at Gandhi Sagar Dam in Madhya Pradesh, as well as statue of Maharaja Ranjit Singh in Amritsar, and also numerous statues of Mahatma Gandhi. So he had a vast experience in designing the statues, and no doubt he has sculpted a masterpiece in the form of Statue of Unity. Now we'll see the construction period. How much time it took to build this statue? It took almost 34 months. The work began on December 19, 2015. Now what are the materials that were used in this statue? So 70,000 tons of cement. So this statue contains 70,000 tons of cement plus 18,500 tons of reinforcement steel. Along with that, 6,000 tons of structural steel and 1,700 metric ton of bronze. You must have heard about the bronze. They were in news when there was another campaign of ban China goods, and these bronze that was used for outer cladding of the structure. So what's the specialty of this statue? The statue is slender most at the base. What's the meaning of slender? Means thin. If you'll see here, you will see that at the base means there are legs, so there is a slender. And if you compare this statue with Statue of Liberty, so it's almost uniform if you'll see the base. And most of the statues in the world, they follow this pattern, because when the base is thin, so it's difficult for the statue to withstand against the velocity of wind. One more thing to be noted here, that there is a gap between two legs, so the wind can pass through these two legs. So again, this makes it difficult to withstand the velocity of wind, and this makes this statue unique as compared to the other statues in the world. So this slender goes against the norms of what the other tall statues have been followed. And as I told you, the walking pose, there is an open gap of 6.4 meters between the two feet, and that had to be tested to withstand wind velocity. So this statue has been engineered to withstand the wind speed up to 50 meters per second. That is almost 180 kilometers per hour. So this is huge. So if the statue can withstand the wind velocity of 180 kilometers per hour, so you can imagine how strong this statue must be. There were other challenges. This include doing justice to a living legend statue. It's easy to make a statue of some imaginary figure, because if something goes wrong, it cannot be noticed. But here, they were making the statue of living legend. Many people have seen him. So it was a big challenge to do justice to a living legend statue. So for this, they have consulted many people who have seen Sardar Patel in real life. And L&T also said that we evolved the design of statue by using various techniques. They have collected around 2000 photographs from archives and zeroed in one photograph. Then they have consulted multiple stakeholders like historians and people who have seen Sardar Patel in real life. They use technology to convert 2D dimensional photograph into 3D dimensional model. So here we can see they have done a lot of research and lot of hard work to get this unique and record breaking statue. Now this statue is divided into 5 zones. First zone is up to the shin, so we can consider this as a shin. This comprises of 3 levels. It includes an exhibit floor, then mezzanine. Mezzanine is the middle floor and the roof. This zone contains a memorial garden and a large museum. So this can give a lot of employment to many people. Zone 2 extend up to statue thighs. So up to this height we can consider the zone 2. Then zone 3 goes up to the weaving gallery at 153 meters. So up till here we can see the zone 3. Then zone 4 comprises the maintenance area. So up till here we can see zone 4. Then zone 5 is the head and shoulder. So here we can see this zone 5. This weaving gallery we have seen in zone 3 at the height of 135 meters. This can accommodate 200 people at a time. So this can be considered as a big tourist spot. Many people visit Statue of Liberty, many people visit to see the Eiffel Tower, but now many foreigners will come here and they'll visit the Statue of Unity, and this can boost up the economy of India. There are many people who are criticizing this step. They are saying that the money which is spent on this statue could be used for the benefit of the poor people in the welfare schemes. But we must consider here that government is spending a lot in the welfare scheme. And if a person needs 100 rupees in a day, so government is providing 50 rupees. So this person is going out and working to earn remaining 50 rupees. But if government will give completely 100 rupees, then this person may not go out and work, and he will sit at the home and spend his 100 rupees as per his wish. So this could be dangerous. But if we spend crores of rupees to build these monuments, so it could give employment to many people. In fact, it has given employment to the people who are making this statue. It can give employment to the people who will start restaurant over here, the guides, the laborers, and many people. So these monuments, it not only give us pride, not only make the image of India better at the global level, but also it helps to boost the economy of India. And there is another proud moment for all of us, that we are about to get even taller statue than Statue of Unity. That is the statue of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. This statue will be built up in the Arabian Sea in Mumbai. So this statue also can provide a lot of employment to many people. Like to go here, we must get the ship. So these people will get a lot of employment. There will be museum, there will be theatre, which will showcase the life of Shivaji Maharaj. So many people may get the employment, and the height of this statue is proposed to be 210 meters. So this is even taller than the Statue of Unity. This statue will be called as the tallest statue in the world. So this is the end of our lecture. If you find it worth, kindly share with your friends, like, comment. See you in the next video. Jai Hind.